Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, this is my review of the Wetfly Fly Fishing Rod, and I'll get to my favorite thing about this in just a minute. And this one is the Black Ops model, and it comes with a very nice container case for the reel. The reel is also very nice and high quality. It comes pre-strung as well, so just very nice. The other thing, my favorite thing about this is that it comes with a very nice rod case. And that is my favorite thing about this reel and rod, is that most rods in this price range do not come with as many accessories as this one does. Normally you'd have to go buy the reel, and then you'd have to buy the rod, and then you have to buy the string, and then you have to buy a case. And this one just comes with all of these at a very good affordable price, and it's a very high quality rod as well. I can't say anything better about this rod and reel and case combination. I would highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.